शाहिद अफरीदी दौड़ रहा है सड़कों पे झंडे लेके, पाकिस्तान की विक्ट्री सेलिब्रेशन चल रही है, द एंटायर वहाँ पे पीपल आर डांसिंग दैट आई डोंट नो व्हाट विक्ट्री दे आर क्लेमिंग। ग्रेट की सर नूर खान बेस के ऊपर उन्होंने मिट्टी टन्स में मिट्टी आई और पूरा डाल के दबा दिया। जो लोग उसमें अटैक में मरे भी थे, they didn't even bother to take care of those bodies also. Well, how do you deal with such a country who's not even honoring their own defense people?
देखिए when it you related to दीपाजी, उसी कारगिल में क्या हुआ था, they stopped मतलब they denied their soldiers were there. अब पाकिस्तान आर्मी के आई कार्ड्स were recovered on the bodies, so they are denied totally blank.
So but sir वहाँ के लोग नहीं कुछ बोलते कि भाई
47 में जब कबायली आए थे तो they said they are not our फौजीज, उनके खुद के फौजीज थे. So they have got a history of it.
People want to listen what they want to listen. They listen to what they want to listen. So Shahid Afridi is just trying to sell himself. His people want to listen. That's what he is trying to say. He is more of a political person. Scramjet engine ना अगर बहुत simple भाषा में if we talk about, it's an engine with an afterburner. कि एक पहला जेट इंजन है और जेट इंजन के पीछे एक और इंजन है.
lot of people are shouting in India and everybody, it's a talk of the town. Everybody, people are asking, especially I don't go into the politics part of it, but everybody wants to know कि when will these targets be caught? These terrorists will be caught.
No major activity in the valley. Suddenly the influx of the tourists have increased so much. So they were actually waiting for that opportune time. Wars are not chosen. They are actually been forced upon.
So that I agree. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Welcome to one more episode of My Thought Espresso. This is a season of operations. Every now and then we are hearing new operations. Operation Sindoor, now Operation Spiderweb. Operation Sindoor, as you all know, between India and Pakistan. Operation Spiderweb, Ukraine attacking Russia with drones. So I got so many questions from you regarding the operations happened, Operation Sindoor as well as Operation Spiderweb. A lot of people are curious to know about the intel part of it as well as the tech part of it and how we should prepare ourselves when going forward into this. So to help us with the intel and the defense part of it, I am happy to have Colonel Praveen Sharma with us. He served the Indian Defence Forces for more than 2 decades. He's been part of the Defence Forces. And then we have our Amit sir. He's very regular with us. A lot of people know him and like him too much. He's a pro when it comes to the tech part. So welcome to My Thought Espresso sir. So sir, कौन से ऑपरेशन से शुरू करना चाहेंगे, सिंदूर या स्पाइडर वेब? पिक कर लो सर and then we'll start discussion on this.
It's your choice.
So सिंदूर से शुरू करें सर?
When we talk about choices, actually, I must comment upon that wars are not chosen. They are actually been forced upon.
So that I agree. So
but coming, since Operation Sindoor is close to our heart, it is about our land. So I think we should go ahead with the Sindoor first.
ठीक है सर. So Operation Sindoor में sir, let me know. Everybody is talking about the intel fail, intel part. So sir, how does this intel work and how do you define the failure and the success of it? Sir, intel ki to success nobody knows it, but failure is the one, so there are no success stories. No, nothing happening is a success story when it comes to intel.
Actually, one more point I want to emphasize during this talk is that there is nothing called as intelligence failure. It is actually a very loosely used term, which it just the intelligence department becomes the scapegoat in many things, because no one wants to question how the intel has come, whether it has come or not. Everything is under the carpet. So whatever good things have been done by the intelligence, it never surfaces, and whatever actually misendeavors takes place, the blame is then put as an intel failure. In this Operation Sindoor also, it will say there was an intel about terrorists infiltrating and carrying out some notorious activities. Some notorious activities cannot be that they will come and pinpoint that Pahalgam and then kill 26 civilians, tourists and other things. That specificity will never be there.
Sir, सुना है ये 1 साल से these terrorists were there inside. They infiltrated almost a year back in India and they were planning something big.
Not a year back. If I may say, might be before that also.
So sir, how does
you never know that whatever happened in Pahalgam is not an aftermath of your Balakot strike.
Okay.
If maybe they must have been getting it, and for the last 3-4 years, if you see, there were number of attacks on the Hindu tourist or maybe the Hindu residents
Huh.
who were provided that citizenship of J&K.
Okay.
So that is how actually thing is. It can be outcome of everything, anything. So it is falsely to say that they have infiltrated only for this thing. They were actually practicing themselves how successful they are by hitting those small targets in between. So they were actually preparing for big thing which was actually overlooked. Maybe because security forces are doing a good job and they were so silent for so many number of months together. There was no activity, no major activity in the valley. Suddenly the influx of the tourists have increased so much. So they
Now,
were
sir-
actually waiting for that opportune time.
So, sir, coming to the tech part of it, I was reading and I checked somewhere. It was an article recently I read which said these terrorists and the intel couldn't gather the information about those terrorists because, sir, they were using Huawei-based phones. Those were made in China, so they were using the same tech which Apple introduced in iPhone 16, I guess. So, wherein you could use your phone as a remote satellite device. आप उससे कॉल और मैसेज कर सकते हैं when you are even without having a network. So something similar Huawei introduced for their high-end phones. So sir, tell us about this tech and how they couldn't gather the information, how they couldn't read, and how the Indian tech and defense forces couldn't understand that what kind of satellite phones and what conversation, because I'm sure they must be using satellite phones earlier also, and we were being able to crack those.
Right. So, see, when we talk about satellite phones, we need to understand what technology goes behind it. In layman terms, a satellite phone is directly connected to satellite. So, from wherever you are based on Earth, your phone is directly connected to satellite, and there is no one in between. So, you cannot intercept that information. The information is going from the phone to the satellite and satellite to the other location. Okay? And the entire data flowing is encrypted. So, no one can catch it in general. Okay? Other satellite phones at times we were able to capture because of the companies which had been providing those services. There are well-known players who are there, and they provide ki if there is something wrong, they provide that information to governments. They have an agreement with governments. But like you are saying, Huawei phones had been used. I don't think there will be any agreement between Government of India and the Chinese manufacturer to share any kind of intel.
So Huawei is banned in India anyway.
Anyways.
हाँ. So, sir, इसमें फिर मतलब other अच्छा satellite में we can't gather the information unless we have a pact or some kind of an agreement.
Other phone works in a way that okay, there is a tower. Okay, phone is connected to that tower. Okay, that tower is connected to a telecom setup which is owned by some telecom company, and from there it is being distributed to wherever it needs to go. Okay, so we are sitting somewhere in our country, that information is flowing, and we can capture that information. Okay, but if some information is going from that phone directly to satellite, and which satellite is owned by some another country, how can we gather that information? That's what the point is.
Do you know about this company I was reading, and this is the company based in US which provides the satellite images for anybody, any organization or any government entity who wants to take the satellite images, so they can get those images. So during the Operation Sindoor and before this Pahalgam attack, there is this company who bought some stake in from Pakistan, Shell company or some dummy company bought stake in that satellite company, from wherein they asked for those digital image because they got the rights of it, and that is why they could choose those targets where they should be doing it. So, sir, is there any other company wherein who provides such satellite images, and how anybody can access those satellite images? Is it because the Google Maps also work, but those images are not the detailed ones?
Right.
So Google images are first of all not that precise. Secondly, those are not those recent. Okay. So the company you are talking about is Maxar Technologies.
Maxar.
Okay, so Maxar images are very recent images and high resolution images. Okay, so someone can pick those information, and it's openly available. You can register on their website, you can pay, and you can get any information that you want.
But as per that, there I was reading Maxer doesn't provide detailed ones, specific ones unless it is asked by the government.
Yeah, Maxer doesn't provide the high resolution images to anyone. They have got a agreement or the contract with the governments across.
Okay.
So only to the government agency, authorized government agency, they will be able to provide based on requirement basis. But few, if we go in postmorteming the Operation Sindoor, how it actually surfaced. So these images of Pahalgam were actually recently the number of images asked for has increased. Why? Because there is a agency in Pakistan which actually collaborated with
Maxer
Technology. I think it is BSI or something. So they inherently got the access to it, which were provided probably to the terrorist outfit or whoever has demanded for these images.
Okay,
So
तभी वो link capture नहीं हुआ.
That's why they could actually precisely home on to a target which was isolated and how much distance and what is the clarity, how many number of tourists and other things.
So, I mean, by any chance, could we put those blames on Maxer for this, providing this information because this was used against it, or because it wasn't an organization and it was not a government identity?
It is not about blaming any organization. For that, they are doing business. They have anyone asking for the image, they are asking for whatever.
So Maxer has the rights to capture any images anywhere on the earth. They could just pin.
Exactly, they can, and everyone can. Everyone can.
But there are
Even
restricted
satellites
areas.
from India, they also capture images across the world.
There are restricted images even after the collaboration they cannot share with the neighboring country or any other third country.
Okay.
Like all the sensitive installation. But Pahalgam per se, the valley is not not a sensitive area. So that is how they could actually gain that image, those images.
So, sir, Pahalgam में जिस valley पे जहाँ हुआ, before that I was hearing, again this is through the sources which was available all across the internet as well as through the journals from all the ex-defense forces and the newspaper articles. Before this, they were planning a attack on some hotel, and that was supposed to happen when the PM was supposedly going to visit the valley. And before that, sir, मुझे एक और question पूछना है कि why is it so? Beat Russia Ukraine just before the peace talks were supposed to happen, the ceasefire was supposed to happen, you see attack in Russia. Now when JD Vance is in country and you're suddenly seeing those attacks just before. So I mean, do they plan it like years back? इस date पे हम ये करने वाले हैं, or they just improvise?
They just improvise. Actually, this is whatever type of event that this takes place, the attack that takes place, it is to come into the limelight. It is to showcase the world that we are in power and we can do at our will. So they decide a target, they choose a target, they recce the target, they plan a target. But the timings, it depends on which is the crucial moment. The moment their planning and other stages are completed, they just wait for the opportune time. Okay, what should be the time to launch that particular attack? So in our case, when the Vice President of US was here, so they chose it there. And before that, they earlier planned to, what you were saying, planned to attack a hotel, similar to what happened on 26/11 in Mumbai. So the plan was similar. However, that plan of the Prime Minister got cancelled, and they then cancelled the entire, because of the debriefing of the security of all the areas and other things.
But sir, जब इनके पास Intel में news थी that something is about to happen, उन्होंने hotels की security beef up कर दी. They have to improvise it. Sir, I mean, they must have had the information. तो सर उन्होंने ये क्यों नहीं सोचा कि इसके लिए पहलगाम के लिए भी that we should do something? And I think there was this Betab Valley also, some other valleys also. वहाँ पे क्यों नहीं किया? और सर ये इतना टाइम survive कैसे करते हैं, एक डेढ़ साल अंदर?
देखिए, मतलब if we talk about the terrain in the JNK per se, the terrorists there can survive for long because of the local support that they enjoy there. Local support, and we in defense call them as OGWs, the overground workers, who inherently actually support them from their heart and provide them all the wherewithals of living successfully within the jungle.
Okay, OGWs are those deep assets.
Deep assets. They are not the deep assets. Basically, they are the locals.
Okay.
Whom either by
They cultivate.
Yeah, they don't cultivate also. They मतलब अभी either they threaten them or they sympathize, or
they sympathize.
the OGW sympathize with the terrorist, and they have got their own sweet reasons to do the same. Or sometimes it is at the point of the rifle.
अच्छा तो फिर
barrel
तो
also.
हाँ कि भाई रात रुके राशन
बिल्कुल.
खाया रसद खाया और लिया और भाग गए.
So that type of an agreement is there. So that is how they are able to survive, and they disguise themselves in such a way. Bakawals, and they go in the mountain, they stay in the mountains for months together.
Okay.
So they have all plans of how to survive those climates and temperatures.
हाँ तो सर ये भी तो
That's what the
information है. The
training they
Musa, the main guy who's behind it, was actually ex Pak Defense
Special
Forces,
Forces, हाँ.
yeah, past Special Forces. So he must be trained to survive, and he must be trained to use those gadgets and improvisation.
What I have been hearing all across the environment is that he was trained not less than a year plus
Okay.
to survive those type of conditions.
तो Special Forces है तो sir.
Not about the special forces, but he was specifically planned for these type of Fidayeen attacks, or maybe to carry out such attacks and stay hidden for a longer time.
तो sir अब ये lot of people are shouting in India, and everybody, it's a talk of the town. Everybody, people are asking, especially I don't go into the politics part of it, but everybody wants to know कि when will these targets be caught, these terrorists will be caught. So sir, US को with all the might took more than 10 years to capture Osama. हमारे Indians को, I mean, how difficult it is gonna be. They could be back in Pakistan, or they could be still in India somewhere hiding. If they could survive before the incident for more than 1.5 years, they could still surely do it for quite some time. And sir, tech part, इसमें communication कैसे करते हैं कि मतलब जंगल में रह लिए, but in today's world everybody is connected to somewhere, some tech part. कहीं से तो कोई एक लूपहोल होता होगा कि जिनसे इनको पकड़ा जा सके कि भाई तुमने कुछ मोड ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन रखा है, एंड वील कैच यू.
See, that is something like which needs to be followed very deeply. On the face of it, you may not be able to capture such information. If someone is communicating through satellite phones, you may not be able to capture it honestly. But okay, if someone has a very deep eye, and possibly Colonel can explain that in detail, but कि how exactly what action those people are taking. जैसे पुरानी मूवीज में शायद आपने देखा होगा कि कोई खाना लेके जा रहा है किसी के लिए, and you track that, क्योंकि there might be some person for whom this food is being carried. So those are the kind of small information, and you can deduce something out of it. So those are the kind of things which can be worked out, but it all depends on the forces there, and if they are there, and if someone is tracking that. Because the kind of situation we have, a very small, it's like a pin in a haystack. आप कैसे पकड़ोगे?
So again, coming back to this satellite, this keeps on coming back, sir. So sir, abhi so many years back, before this operation, before this act happened in Pahalgam, satellite से तो communication पहले भी करते होंगे. हमने movies में ही देखा, आपने just gave an example, वो इतना लंबा सा phone निकाला, उसमें you put that out and then you communicate. तो of course कर्नल साहब, वो पहले भी तो हम लोग पकड़ते ही होंगे कि ये जो सैटेलाइट से बात करते हैं. इस बार सर वो हुआवे के चक्कर में नहीं पकड़ पाए. Was it because that satellite belonged to China and the communication could not be caught by us? और इज इट दैट सर अब तो ये स्टारलिंक आने वाला है, तो सर सब फिर कम्युनिकेशन करेंगे एंड वील से दैट वी कांट गैदर द इंफॉर्मेशन.
नहीं, देखो स्टारलिंक थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है ना. स्टारलिंक इज कमिंग टू योर कंट्री विद एन अग्रीमेंट विद योर कंट्री. ओके, सो दैट डेटा विल बी शेयर्ड. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि कोई भी आएगा और कुछ भी करके चला जाएगा. इफ समथिंग रॉन्ग विल हैपन, समवन कैन बी होल्ड अकाउंटेबल इन स्टारलिंक, बिकॉज स्टारलिंक इज कमिंग थ्रू
proper channel,
and through government of your country.
But Huawei भी तो it's a very repetitive brand.
It's a very reputed brand, but if you are, in fact, if you are banned in a country, na, you don't even exist for that country, so why would someone give any kind of information to you?
And moreover, I'll tell you, it is not only Huawei. Like there is one more satellite phone earlier. मतलब it is
पहले सर Alcatel करके,
पहले Alcatel था, फिर Thuraya is the more heard terminology that happens, and it is again banned in India. But there are certain procedures by which you can get permissions to use Thurayas.
Okay.
Not in India, but neighboring Nepal, Nepal, Bangladesh, जो high altitude में ऐसे mountainous जो जाते हैं, they generally carry Thuraya.
Okay.
Just to have that satellite communication. So if anything goes there, it is for the assistance.
Okay.
It is not for mischief that they carry out. So anywhere in the Indian land, if the Thuraya gets opened, so the company is supposed to report it, and it
Okay.
reports, and
Okay.
that intel comes.
Hmm.
So location and other things there, and whoever is holding that Thuraya for whatever time, generally gets nabbed in time. So that agreement is not happening with Huawei because the entire company is banned, and the satellite that is operating doesn't. It covers India, but it is the control is entirely with the Chinese.
So थुराया जैसे आप बता रहे हो, थुराया में अगर मैं बॉर्डर पे खड़ा हूँ, so मतलब बॉर्डर में जैसे देयर विलेजेस एंड आई एम कम्युनिकेटिंग, सो हाउ डू यू कैच इट दिस इज यूज्ड इन दिस पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री, इन दिस पार्ट में? तो सर ये बॉर्डर में तो हमारे वी शेयर थाउजेंड्स ऑफ किलोमीटर्स ऑफ बॉर्डर्स विद पाकिस्तान. में यहाँ खड़ा होकर अगर हाथ इधर करूँ तो पाकिस्तान में, इधर हाथ करूँ तो इंडिया में हूँ. So how do you catch it? And I want to, that's a curious question being, it's a layman.
For that sake, तो mobile phone में भी same problem will happen ना. Okay, means you might have heard about it. कि पाकिस्तान का सिग्नल इंडिया में आता है, बांग्लादेश का सिग्नल इंडिया में आता है, इंडिया का सिग्नल उधर जाता है.
Overlap will always be there.
हाँ, तो वो तो टावर का केस में होगा. टावर में तो you get to know that this microwave इस टावर में कि ये भाई ये यहाँ का है, वहाँ का roaming में चला.
Thuraya will not means okay if they read it कि okay it is on the Pakistan side of it or it's on the other side of border, they will not inform you. But if it will get into border of the country, then they will inform.
तो क्योंकि now you gave मोबाइल का एग्जांपल. मोबाइल में तो पता है जैसे ही अगर ये टावर क्रॉस करेगा it will go into the roaming. ठीक है, you get to know that this is being used in roaming. Satellite में how do you get to know that this is in the roaming part and this is
Satellite is your phone is connected to satellite. Satellite will track na from what exact location the signal is coming.
It actually gives you in latitude and longitude. Exact.
Okay.
So that actually helps the
अच्छा,
company to
okay.
decipher which part of the land he is in.
तो सर अब अगर Huawei के फोन ये तो यूज करके आ रहे हैं, so they can be
So the
untraceable.
technology will come up to counter these. This is the first instance that has happened of this sort.
And,
So you will have more evolutions in technology and other agreements at the government levels to actually counter such problems.
And could it be also, sir, as Israel और Hezbollah के केस में हुआ that Hezbollah decided to use pages, that you know they'll go back many years and they'll go to technology which is like now
Obsolete
ancient,
है.
obsolete, तो कोई उस पर ध्यान देगा नहीं. So could it be also that people are going back to those technology which are being obsolete so that the communications happens untraceable?
Everything is possible. It's a simple game of how you make मतलब अगर if we talk in very simple language कि how you make fools of other party. As simple as that. है ना? So you find ways. It may be higher on technology, it may be lower on technology.
Defense में मतलब all sort of technological communication, everything is there, but we still train ourselves in field signals. Why? Because communication and your plan is the first casualty.
Field signal क्या होता है सर?
मतलब you wave of flags and color
अच्छा, okay,
codings
okay.
and other things. You send a messenger,
Okay.
a messenger rider and other
So
things.
there's still no replacement to the human.
It is no replacement to the human things.
हाँ.
So you got to train yourself because communication in now technology days, it will be the first thing to be hacked or to be disrupted, or misinformation will be sent through your communication channel using your channels. So that's why these elements are also like the terrorists are also intelligent enough to actually get back to older absolute system so that they don't get tracked. That is the main reason.
So Intel में सर अभी ये बता रहे जैसे I was reading and this has also been coming up कि that post Article 370 we lost lot of touch with the locals. One side says that the economy was blossoming so good that everybody was very happy side. The other side was like we were so happy and so bullish that we start ignoring those people which needed those personal intel part and personal touch part ki boss ye communication ho raha hai, ye communication, this is the movement been happening. So do you feel, sir, is it actually the lack of that personal intel, the human touch to gather those information what you coming on to the personal part of it, or is it that such things can happen?
Coming from this operation, the basic lesson learned is that human intelligence have got its own importance. which you're right, over a period of time we have started actually neglecting or
Relying more on
relying more
tech
on the
part
tech part of it. So now there will be a new phase again where we'll go back to our old days and get on the basics with human intelligence. So evolution is one part and the basics is one part. So basics mein everything is covered because it covers the obsolete technologies. Evolution mein it actually try to override the previous technology and you think that a previous one cannot be used. Like 4G आएगा 5G आएगा तो अब 3G 2G कोई यूज़ नहीं करता.
वो तो सर बताएंगे
बट
ज़्यादा टेक पार्ट.
अगर कोई रिमोट प्लेसेस में जाओगे तो कहीं पे आपको ई दिख जाएगा तो आप सर पकड़ लेते हो.
हाँ, E is the edge.
हाँ, एज मतलब आपको दिख जाएगा तो मतलब यू सी कि इट्स एक्चुअली टू स्लो. सो यू आर नॉट यूज्ड टू यूज दोज टेक्नोलॉजीज. सो व्हाटएवर गैजेट्स हैं अभी देयर आर मेनी एप्स व्हिच से कि 4G से नीचे आप काम ही नहीं करेगा ऐप आपका.
ओके.
मोबाइल में इफ यू डाउनलोड एन ऐप तो यू से कि भाई 4G का फ़ोन नहीं है आपका तो ये दैट ऐप विल नॉट फंक्शन इन दिस फोन. सो दैट चैलेंजेस आर देयर. पीपल आर स्टिल यूजिंग दैट डायल पैड वाले नंबर्स.
हाँ, डायल पैड वाले फ़ोन. यस.
उसमें तो 3G का कॉल तो होता ही एटलीस्ट 2G से कॉल भी हो जाता है. सो दैट इज़ हाउ दे एक्चुअली मतलब use the technology against the technology.
When I was doing a project with the telecom industry, so I got to know that to catch 2G 3G devices is very easy. Not the 4Gs and 5Gs. Is it so, sir?
Not exactly. Means there might be a slight difference, but okay, everything can be caught for sure.
Of course, sir. But the filters were too easy when it comes to 2G and 3G.
I trust that numbers were also too low in 2G and 3G, so it was easier back then, and now the numbers are much more, so it is difficult.
Sir, coming back to the hottest question, everybody, सबको ये जानना है कितने जहाज गिरे. Me personally, that's a most rubbish question and stupid question because nobody has ever asked US अमेरिका की तरह अफगानिस्तान में क्या नुकसान हुआ. इजराइल से अभी तक किसी ने नहीं पूछा. बट इंडिया के लिए फॉर मी कोलैटरल डैमेज इफ एट ऑल इट हैज़ हैपेंड so doesn't matter because the human should matter. And as far as I know, Indian Army is and Indian Defense Forces celebrate the martyrdom. They honor that. और किसी पाकिस्तान या चाइना में तो नहीं होता कि किसी की अगर कुछ हो जाए तो no, they just cover it up. हमारे इंडिया में we honor that. We cry with them because they are the guardians of our nation. तो सर कितने जहाज गिरे ये hottest question है.
I'll still not answer that question as the CDS himself told, losses doesn't matter. So taking further to it, it is the sad part that in this country, in our country, we are actually questioning about losses that had happened to our side. Rather than celebrating that what damage we have caused to the other side.
वो तो खुद बोल रहे हैं कि हमारे इतना गिरा है.
There is just a group of handful of people and they're just trying to draw political mileage out of it. So I think the question needs to be best ignored rather than putting more emphasis again and again on various channels or various medias and other things. Just leave it. In a battle, it doesn't count who falls first. It is the victory is when who hits back and harder.
No, CDS explained it in a very means जो इंडिया में ना people will understand it very nicely and that's how he explained it. कि it was a test match. ठीक है, you won a test match by an inning. अभी पहले इनिंग में आपके कितने विकेट गिरे थे? Does that matter?
No, absolutely not. अच्छा सर, now coming to the आपने टेस्ट मैच बोला, द मैन ऑफ द मैच, द विराट कोहली ऑफ दिस इंडिया पाकिस्तान वाज ब्रह्मोस. पूरे वर्ल्ड में बात हो रही है कि दैट ब्रह्मोस वाज एक्चुअली समथिंग. एंड आई वाज रीडिंग रिसेंटली ऑन द वेबसाइट ऑफ ब्रह्मोस इटसेल्फ that we are soon going to be, it's just 78% already now indigenously made. It's going to be 81% and I think by 2026 or 2027 we'll be 90% or
and 2030
100% made in India.
Yeah.
तो सर, और आपके हमारे पिछले पॉडकास्ट पे lot of people asked me and thanked you for that ramjet engine. तो सर उसके बारे में दोबारा बताइए सर, ब्रह्मोस के बारे में and that scramjet engine and the tech part of it, how it is so special.
स्क्रैमजेट इंजन ना, अगर बहुत सिंपल भाषा में इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट, इट्स अ इंजन विद एन आफ्टर बर्नर. कि एक पहला जेट इंजन है और जेट इंजन के पीछे एक और इंजन है. तो इंजन के पीछे इंजन है विच पुशेस इट थ्रू डबल पावर.
ओके.
ठीक है. और इट कैन टेक अ मिसाइल और अ जेट इंजन और अ जेट means more than the speed of sound. That's what is called supersonic.
Supersonic. Then I think they're trusting towards the hypersonic. और सर इस इंजन में मैं एक चीज़ देख रहा था कि that which मुझे इतना समझ में नहीं आया टेक पार्ट, बट यू विल बी बेटर पर्सन टू टेल मी ऑन दिस, कि दैट ट्विन जेट इंजन हेल्प्स यू कि जितनी इसको पावर चाहिए टू मूव साइलेंटली एंड इट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट्स दैट पावर ओनली. अब वो आप सर ज़्यादा बेटर समझा पाएंगे कि हाउ डज दिस वर्क, दैट मुझे अभी इतनी पावर चाहिए तो मैं इस स्पीड पे चलूँगा और इतनी पावर एक्स्ट्रा चाहिए तो देन अनदर जेट इंजन कम्स इन.
आई थिंक ये टेक्नोलॉजी अगर आप बहुत सिंपली सोचो तो आपकी कार्स में भी अवेलेबल होती है.
हाँ,
है
BMW
ना?
में
नहीं, आपके जो नॉर्मल कार्स आती हैं कि भाई किस टाइम पे हाइब्रिड कार, कब गैसोलीन पे जाना है, कब बैटरी पे चले जाना है. दैट्स एन इंटेलिजेंट सिस्टम व्हिच इज बिल्ट इनटू योर कार.
सर ऑफ कोर्स इफ इट इज दिस सिंप्लीफाइड जैसे आपने कर दिया कार की तरह तो सभी बना लेंगे, बट व्हाई ब्रह्मोस इज एक्चुअली दे आर सेइंग इट इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड.
बना तो सभी लेंगे, सारी टेक्नोलॉजी सभी बना लेते हैं, है ना. एटम बम भी धीरे धीरे करके सारी कंट्रीज बना लेंगे. इट वाज फर्स्ट मेड बाय समवन, thereafter everyone is making it. Same, this thing will also be made. But what is important is exactly. What matters is time.
Okay.
That's the only advantage you have. In next 10 years or 20 years, everyone else will have that. But till by that time, we should have a more advanced version of it. So it's all about being ahead of the curve. कि लोग यहाँ पे चल रहे हैं, हमें उससे एक स्टेप आगे होना चाहिए. That's what it is all about.
You always have to be one step ahead of your enemy. And for how long? Because ultimately he will catch you. You will catch your breath. He is racing behind you. So he is bound to catch you. And जब तक वो आपको catch करे, how ahead you get onto it so that he is even more behind you.
हमारे टेक पार्ट में आर्मी, इंडियन आर्मी हमेशा से कहा गया है कि इंडियन आर्मी इज पर से द बेस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड बिकॉज दे नो हाउ टू यूज़ द रिसोर्सेज फ्रूगली. उनको जो मिलता है 50 साल पुराना जेट है, 20 साल पुरानी बंदूक दे दो, येट दे आर द ब्रेवेस्ट. नाउ वी आर मूविंग टूवर्ड्स, बट दे से कि लॉट ऑफ पीपल, कंपनीज हैव read and their complaint is कि Indian army is the hardest to please. They are the most ruthless when it comes to giving them new gadgets and they are not very acceptable to that. Sir, why?
The case is not that so. We are actually open to accepting the gadgets, but it has to meet our purpose. So we are actually rigid on our purpose first.
अच्छा, okay sir.
So if it is of no use to me, we say no. भाई अगर मेरे को एक चम्मच से खाने की ज़रूरत है तो मैं चमचा थोड़ी ना खरीदूंगा.
That is why the Americans complain कि आपने कह दिया कि प्रचंड better है than their Apaches, because I think Prachand can perform in the Himalayas better than.
Because
what solves my purpose is more important, na?
If you look at the terrain per se, you have got right from the higher mountains to deserts to sea area, coastal areas. So you have to have different types of equipment for all the terrains. So that is the diversity of the equipment that you need to hold. Mountains में अभी आपकी, say for example, every gun is not successful. If we talk about the artillery, so you cannot carry every gun and fire on the mountains. So you have to high angle of fire in that. That is why in 1999 Kargil Bofors was so successful.
Okay. अब बोफोर्स के लिए भी सर हमारे इंडिया में कुछ भी डिफेंस प्रोक्योरमेंट होती है, पहले
सबसे पहले बोफोर्स का नाम याद आ जाता है.
बोफोर्स का नाम आता है, फिर राफेल,
राजीव गांधी का भी नाम याद आता है,
फिर राफेल का आया. सर हम खरीदते टाइम तो गाली देते हैं कि क्यों खरीदी, और बाद में हम कहते हैं कि जैसे अब हुआ, इससे पहले बालाकोट से पहले वी थैंक्स दोज कि ये जेट बहुत अच्छे थे और ये बोफोर्स बहुत अच्छी थी. उससे पहले खरीदते टाइम वी
पूरा स्कैम निकाल दिया
सर.
That is the actually irony of this thing. The purpose with which the equipment has been bought was not justified till the time it saw its use. So for per se 99 में बोफोर्स ने कमाल किया था, अभी आपके
राफेल ने कमाल किया,
और अभी आपके S-400 ने कमाल कर दिया. So this is the evolution of war. So every war will have a use of different equipment based on the threat that come. Because देखिए क्या होता है ना कि कोई चोर घर में चोरी करने जाता है तो वो सबसे पहले आपका वीकेस्ट पॉइंट ढूंढता है, वो उस पर अटैक करता है. जो उसको सबसे ईजीएस्ट, वीकेस्ट एंड ईजीएस्ट पॉइंट लगता है पहले वो जाता है, फिर आप उसको प्लग इन करते हो. देन ही फाइंड्स फॉर इवन अ डिफिकल्ट वीक पॉइंट, फिर वो उसको अटैक करता है. तो he is also evolving, you also evolve. So that is how you see the use of technology evolving over a period of time. आज की डेट में क्या हुआ, सिंदूर के टाइम पे हमने बॉर्डर्स तो क्रॉस किए नहीं. एवरीथिंग हैपेंड फ्रॉम आवर ओन टेरिटरी. पहले कभी ऐसा हुआ था? नहीं हुआ था. तो दिस इज अ न्यू.
हमने अपनी टेरिटरी क्रॉस करी नहीं. एंड इंडिया इज ऑलवेज बीन वेरी क्लियर दैट वी वोंट अटैक. And we were also very clear, our external minister.
And we started off hitting only the terrorist targets first.
Man,
it is they retaliated and then we have to retaliate back.
That is how it was improvisation. And sir, ये improvisation में attack कर दिया नूर खान base.
नहीं, it was to send a message very clear.
Sir, how to deal? I just read कि sir नूर खान base के ऊपर उन्होंने मिट्टी टन्स में मिट्टी आई और पूरा डाल के दबा दिया. जो लोग उसमें अटैक में मरे भी थे, they didn't even bother to take care of those bodies also. Sir, how do you deal with such a country who's not even honoring their own defense people?
देखिए, the country has got a past similar. मतलब that's what I told you earlier ना, कि मतलब everything you do or intel comes, so you have to relate it to the past. When it you relate it to the past, you see कारगिल में क्या हुआ था? They stopped, मतलब they denied their soldiers were there. We have buried them with all the decor and other things. Pakistan army के I cards were recovered on the bodies. So they are denied totally blank. So they have got that history. 47 में जब कबायली आए थे तो they said they are not our फौजीज. उनके खुद के फौजीज थे. So they have got a history of it.
So but sir वहाँ के लोग नहीं कुछ बोलते कि भाई they know कि भाई ये मरा है.
Their media is not showing ना, मतलब what we are. Indian media is banned there.
सर इंडियन मीडिया की बात नहीं. शाहिद अफरीदी दौड़ रहा है सड़कों पे झंडे लेके, पाकिस्तान की विक्ट्री सेलिब्रेशन चल रही है. द एंटायर वहाँ पे people are dancing that I don't know what victory they are claiming.
It goes to, I think, human psychology. People want to listen what they want to listen. They listen to what they want to listen. So Shahid Afridi is just trying to sell himself. His people want to listen.
That they want.
That's what he is trying to say. He is more of a political person. His political ambitions, he is just trying to solve those.
तो वहाँ पे पॉलिटिक्स करता कौन है? इमरान खान ने किया तो उसको जेल में डाल दिया. बचता कौन सा पॉलिटिशियन?
आप एक तो पाकिस्तान का जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है, इट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन इस्लामिक प्रिंसिपल्स. और इस्लामिक प्रिंसिपल्स में क्या होता है? द अल्टीमेट फाइट इज फॉर द अल्लाह. दे डोंट बिलीव इन दिस स्मॉल. दे एक्चुअली टेक इट के यू आर हियर फॉर अ बिगर कॉज and these are the small battles which you have survived to fight that ultimate battle. So they celebrate that.
Okay.
So it is in their teachings. If you go to their madrasas and Islamic colleges in Pakistan, so that is what being brainwashed into their children. So every time you 65 ले लो, 71 ले लो, they celebrate.
They celebrate. हाँ, they still celebrate the victory day.
99
मतलब 70s में सर 72 वॉर में कंट्री चला गया उनका, हाफ ऑफ द कंट्री इज लॉस्ट. दे स्टिल सेलिब्रेट. पता नहीं मुझे क्या, तो आई थिंक द पीपल आर idiots there, or I don't know, they don't want to understand or they don't want to respect, not to use this word, but जिस देश का आधा पार्ट डिवाइड हो जाए उसका किस बात की विक्ट्री सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं मुझे नहीं पता.
They are on the verge of further divisions now. Still they are celebrating.
So Balochistan is the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is also having a turmoil. So also coming back to the important question in defense में सर 3 divisions होते हैं, infantry, artillery and armory. Now the talk of the town is that we should add dronery or drone part to that it has become that important, especially post that sir Ukraine and Russia spider web operation. So sir एक तो how the tech part you also explain to us, and you tell me the intel part of this Russia Ukraine operation. सर पहले कौन बताएगा मुझे?
चलिए मैं चालू करता हूँ. इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी ना, काफ़ी मज़ेदार है. मतलब आई रेड अबाउट इट, आई फाउंड इट वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, सो लेट मी शेयर दैट. सी ड्रोन्स काम करते हैं रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी पे. सो रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी से ड्रोन आपका कनेक्टेड होता है टू योर कंट्रोलर. ठीक है, तो आप कंट्रोल कर सकते हो रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी पे. उसकी रेंज कितनी होती है? मे बी अ फ्यू किलोमीटर्स. ठीक, उससे आगे नहीं होता, या फ्यू 100 किलोमीटर्स लेट्स से फॉर दैट सेक. बट यहाँ पे जो अटैक हुआ, इट हैपेंड फ्रॉम 3000 किलोमीटर्स अवे और 4000 किलोमीटर्स. अब ये कहानी हुई कैसे, है ना? ये बड़ी एग्जैक्टली ये तो दिस मेक्स इट वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कि अरे हाउ दिस हैपेंड. एंड the very interesting thing what happened was कि there were 2 technologies used. कि दो अलग अलग टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ की गई. फिजिकली उस ट्रक को वहाँ लाया गया, ट्रक के थ्रू ड्रोन कनेक्टेड था थ्रू रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी, बट वो ट्रक बेस स्टेशन से विच वॉज बेस्ड इन यूक्रेन कनेक्टेड था ओवर 4G नेटवर्क. सो वहाँ से यहाँ तक 4G नेटवर्क चल रहा है ट्रक तक, और ट्रक के आगे जो नेटवर्क चल रहा है वो RF पे चल रहा है, रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी पे. एंड दैट्स हाउ दैट एंटायर थिंग वाज कंट्रोल. कि जो आपका ड्रोन का पायलट है, ही वाज सिटिंग इन यूक्रेन. दैट पायलट वाज कनेक्टेड टू द बेस स्टेशन, द ट्रक with 4G connection, and from truck it was controlled through radio frequency. So that's how the entire thing happened, and it was really interesting. Someone had thought about it and executed it.
Planned it so much for they say the operation was planned for 1.5 years. And sir, also मतलब it's very fascinating, and they're saying कि एक स्कूटी के दाम पे ड्रोन बना दिया जिसने $1 billion का नुकसान कर दिया. Sir, how is that possible? And also sir, वो scenes were there on those videos where those truck drivers वो सर पत्थर मार रहे हैं उठ के ड्रोन्स को because they were caught off guard. तो सर ट्रक में उन्होंने कैसे टेक्नोलॉजी ऐसे प्लान करी कि ड्राइवर्स तक को नहीं पता था. वो ड्राइवर खुद बाहर निकल के they said they want to shut down, or I don't know, they were acting, they must be as good as actors as Shahrukh Khan or some other that कि ट्रक में से ड्रोन नहीं कर रहे हैं और पत्थर मार रहे हैं उसको रोकने के लिए, they were caught off guard.
नहीं, एक्चुअली क्या, इट डजंट हैपन दैट वे. ठीक है, ट्रक ड्राइवर नॉट बीइंग अवेयर, इट इज अंडर द कवर्स. दैट इज द बिगेस्ट मतलब पार्ट ऑफ द प्लानिंग.
तो सर बहुत अच्छे एक्टर्स हो गए वो.
दैट इज द पार्ट ऑफ द प्लानिंग. देखो, व्हाटएवर हैपेंस ऑन ग्राउंड हैज टू बी प्लान्ड. यू कैन नॉट लीव इट के भाई लास्ट मौके पे ऐसा कर लेंगे वैसा कर लेंगे. नथिंग इज लेफ्ट फॉर द लास्ट मोमेंट. You have to plan each and everything. That is why that 1.5 years of planning that you told. It is because of that only. Identify the weakest point in their logistics chain. Border कहाँ से cross करना है.
So 30% of the countries you're wiping off that in just 1 day or 1 hour, and you're talking AWACS उड़ा दिया सर उनके क्या कहते हैं स्ट्रैटेजिक बॉम्बर्स उड़ा दिए. these aircrafts are not very easy to replace sir. बॉम्बर्स के केस में, स्ट्रैटेजिक बॉम्बर्स के, why is it because the payload is difficult to carry in any other aircraft, or is it because bombers, क्योंकि US still is using that aircraft which actually dropped bombs in Japan and during the Second World War. So उन aircrafts को replace करना इतना मुश्किल है सर क्या टेक्नोलॉजी वाइज?
नहीं, टेक्नोलॉजी वाइज इतना मुश्किल नहीं है. इट्स नॉट समथिंग विच इज़ इररिप्लेसेबल. हो तो जाएगा, बट स्ट्रैटेजिक बॉम्बर्स ये होते हैं कि बनाने में आपको टाइम लगेगा. एक प्लेन बनने में हम आज फॉर दैट सेक एयरलाइंस भी अगर एक प्लेन का ऑर्डर देती हैं, आज ऑर्डर देती हैं, 6 साल बाद डिलीवर होता है, 7 साल बाद डिलीवर होता है. सो if you have like
it is all time that we told earlier.
What you gain is time.
सर $1,000 के ड्रोन से आपने $1 billion का नुकसान कर दिया.
बात नहीं, ये तो दिस इज समथिंग विच इज अ बेसिक ह्यूमन थिंकिंग, क्योंकि यार इतने से इतना बड़ा नुकसान कर दिया. बट मतलब ये फ्रूगल वाली थिंकिंग है. दिस इज नॉट स्ट्रेटेजिक थिंकिंग.
डिफेंस के केस में इट्स अ वेरी बिग लॉस.
It is all actually propaganda war nowadays.
अच्छा.
What we saw in Sindoor also, whatever claims we have made in India side, Pakistan is making all the similar claims on their side.
वो तो सर एक झाड़ फूक के ऊपर ट्रैक्टर के ऊपर खड़े होके कर रहे हैं. तो सर
मैं वही बोला ना, it is all propaganda. It is to
वो तो
prove
propaganda भी नहीं करना आता.
Same thing Ukraine is saying कि मैंने ये कर दिया, रशिया बोलता है ऐसा नहीं हुआ. So no one will.
नहीं, but Putin is saying sir, entire Russia is saying this is the Pearl Harbor moment. They retaliate.
हमारे यहाँ भी तो लोग.
And of course they will punish back. No, it is not retaliation. It will be punished back. ठीक है, you did something, you will be punished for it. बट ऐसा नहीं है कि पूरी कंट्री वाइप हो गई या कोई बहुत बड़ा नुकसान हो गया. स्ट्रेटेजिकली दे आर स्टिल देयर. कुछ प्लेन्स चले गए. इट्स द सेम केस जैसे इंडिया में अगर आप कि भाई इनिंग से अगर आप जीत रहे हो और कुछ प्लेन चले गए, कुछ विकेट गिर गए तो गिर गए.
किलोमीटर की टेरिटरी तो रशिया के.
एग्जैक्टली. बोले आपकी इतनी टेरिटरी ले ली, सब कुछ ले लिया, उसके बाद आपने अगर 10 प्लेन उड़ा भी तो ठीक है, मतलब इट्स नॉट अ बिग लॉस. अगर कोई रियली कैलकुलेट करने जाए, इफ समवन हैज टू कैलकुलेट कि
जो लोग बार बार पूछ रहे हैं कि कितने गिरा दिए, उनको बोलो पूछो रशिया से कितने गिर गए. Do they have that type of guts even in their own country? country, their opposition parties, do they have that type of any questions you have heard
सर वो
anywhere?
तो इसमें गट्स की बात नहीं. I think it's illogical to ask. Actually, it doesn't
Definitely.
make sense. You know, आप कंट्री की
You-
डिफेंस फोर्सेस से आप नहीं पूछते सर.
You want to
क्योंकि
make
because-
headlines in your adversaries, newspapers
और सर
and media.
also why tell कि भैया मेरी सिक्योरिटी में मैंने ये करा था, मेरा कुछ भी नहीं गिरा और हो सकता है बहुत कुछ गिरा, बट मैं सिक्योरिटी में क्यों बताऊंगा?
एग्जैक्टली, मतलब वी आर नॉट सपोज टू रिवील सर्टेन इन्फॉर्मेशन. जो भी हुआ है मेरे को पता है. यू हैव टू ट्रस्ट योर फोर्सेस फॉर दैट.
सर कमिंग बैक टू दिस 4G पार्ट व्हिच इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. जी ट्रक में इन्होंने क्या, दे मस्ट हैव पुट दिस कम्युनिकेशन 4G का
सिंपल फोन. इट्स एज सिंपल एज फोन. हमारे फोन पे इंटरनेट आता है ना,
वहाँ पे रोमिंग में
इंटरनेट
आता है. तो बट अच्छा वो टाइम ने मिला रशियन लोगों को, गवर्नमेंट को या रशियन डिफेंस फोर्सेस को या इंटेल को एक्ट करने के लिए, क्योंकि ट्रक में जैसे ही एक्टिवेट हुआ दे जस्ट अटैक्ड. And sir, the Intel
reaction
part
time, yeah, Intel part of it is very simple. You मतलब if you say
सर 1.5 साल कह रहे हैं उन्होंने प्लान किया. एंड
1.5 साल
KGB the world so called KGB the best one, the most ruthless.
देखो,
lethal.
we must understand one very fact that Intel is till the war commences.
अच्छा.
After that, everything is operational intelligence.
Okay.
So you have now Ukraine and Russia is in war for last 3+ years. 3 साल से आप लड़ रहे हो, तो it is everything is operational intelligence. There is no intel gathering as of now, which is being like whatever intel they had before that, they are using that intel and building upon that.
Okay.
ठीक है ना. जब वॉर नहीं शुरू हुआ तब तक आप इंटेल गैदर कर रहे हो. नाउ यू आर फीडिंग द इंटेल. तो डिफरेंस लाइज देयर. सो यूक्रेन टुक इट्स टाइम टू एक्चुअली गैदर. वो इंटेलिजेंस को यूज करके उसने एक पॉइंट के लिए बचा के रखा. ड्यूरिंग द वॉर इट हैज आइडेंटिफाइड सर्टेन वीकनेसेस इन इट्स चेन, सप्लाई चेन और व्हाटएवर, कि जहाँ से उसने ट्रक अपना इन्फिल्ट्रेट कराया, प्लेसिंग द सिग्नल ट्रैपर्स.
Zelensky was saying it कि 1.5 साल ऑपरेशन प्लान कर रहा है सर. द लॉन्गर द टेन्योर, हमने तो जो बेसिक पढ़ा है सर, सुनजू आर्ट ऑफ वॉर में भी, चलो ठीक है, इतने लंबा आप टाइम दे रहे हो तो फिर तो आप एनिमी के ग्राउंड में
देखो, it is for theirs to claim. We are no one to question it whether they took
But
it
I mean
1.5 days.
it's not about questioning sir. Do you actually feel कि 1.5 साल का टाइम
होता है.
इतना
There are
लंबा
cases,
cultivate.
but during hot war मतलब slightly difficult to actually.
हाँ, क्योंकि 1.5 साल
1.5 साल आप
is too much a time to cultivate.
You are in the midst of the hot war. It is not that you are sitting in peace and you are planning something.
हाँ, 1.5 साल सोच के
Like
प्लान
what
करना.
Pakistan did or what happened in Pahalgam, you can take 4 साल भी planning किया होगा and you could not come to know. That is understood. But in this case, a hot war is on for the last 3 years and within for 1.5 years you started planning. I think थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है, but there is no word as impossible.
So coming back to the tech part, these drones were 3D printed. सर एक तो सर ये बताओ, 3D printed ड्रोन, 3D printed तो अब आजकल घर भी बन रहे हैं. So how do you use this 3D printer and इससे कुछ भी बना सकते हैं?
3D प्रिंटर से आप कुछ भी बना सकते हो, एनी काइंड ऑफ पार्ट. ठीक है, बहुत सारी उसके अंदर कैपेबिलिटीज है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें नहीं भी बना सकते. यू कैन नॉट मेक मेटेलिक पार्ट्स, यू हैव टू यूज सर्टेन प्लास्टिक्स एंड पॉलीमर्स ओनली उससे. बट देन इट्स अप टू योर इमेजिनेशन, वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू क्रिएट सर्टेन थिंग्स यू कैन डू विद इट. ठीक.
तो 3D प्रिंटिंग से आपने ये प्लेन बनाया और ये ड्रोन बनाया, सॉरी
नहीं कि पूरा ड्रोन 3D प्रिंटेड बनता है ना. उसका जैसे फ्रेम है, फ्रेम जनरली अ फ्रेम इज मेड ऑफ कार्बन फाइबर. वो कार्बन फाइबर इज नॉट 3D प्रिंटेड ना. वो कार्बन फाइबर की प्लेट्स होती हैं, उसको काटा जाता है, पाइप्स होते हैं, उसको काटा जाता है, उसके बेसिस पे फ्रेम बनाया जाता है. एयर फ्रेम इंजीनियर्स होते हैं, उस फ्रेम को डिज़ाइन करते हैं कि कैसी फ्रेम बनेगी, क्या वेट उठाएगी, कितनी चीज़ें करनी है, सारी टेक्निकलिटीज़ वर्कआउट होती है. उसके बाद वो फ्रेम का डिज़ाइन होता है. रोटर्स होते हैं, मोटर्स होते हैं, कम्युनिकेशन डिवाइसेस होते हैं. ठीक है, अब वो मोटर है, मोटर के ऊपर हमें फ़ैन लगाने, दैट फैन कैन बी 3D प्रिंटेड. अब एक ड्रोन, एक बेसिक ड्रोन ना, उसके सारे पार्ट्स आर अवेलेबल. यू डोंट हैव टू मेक इट 3D प्रिंटेड. कि बेसिक चीज़ें सब अवेलेबल है बाजार. लेकिन फॉर दैट सेक कि अब नाउ आई हैव टू मेक अ ड्रोन. अभी मेरे दिमाग में आया यार मैं ड्रोन लेता हूँ और उसके ऊपर ना एक AK-47 लगा देता हूँ, राइट. या मैं उसके ऊपर एक ग्रेनेड ड्रॉपर लगा देता हूँ कि उसके ऊपर 4 ग्रेनेड होंगे, रिमोट एक्चुएटेड एक मैं स्विच बना दूंगा और उसके 4 ऐसे मैंने नीचे लगा दिए एंड एक बटन दबाऊंगा तो एक ग्रेनेड नीचे गिरेगा, दूसरा तो दूसरा, तीसरा तो तीसरा, ऐसे मैं 4 जगह जाके ग्रेनेड फोड़ के आ जाऊँगा, है ना. ये एक सिंपल थॉट. अब ये करने के लिए आपको इमीडिएटली करना है, अभी आपके दिमाग में आया, महीने भर के अंदर आपको बना के दे देना है। आप क्या करोगे कि उसके पार्ट बनाने जाओगे, फोर्ज करने जाओगे, उनको बनाओगे, इतना टाइम नहीं है। आप क्या करते हो, वो जो पार्ट जो आपने अभी इंस्टेंटली सोचा, यू 3D प्रिंटेड, कि फटाफट 3D प्रिंट किया, बनाया और चला दिया।
और could also be such that supply chain में drones में last हमारे discussion जब हुआ था, we did an entire episode on drones. So we were discussing on supply chain that drones is very easy to make now. It's a proven technology.
basic
Parts
drone
are
बनाने
parts
में कुछ
basic
नहीं
drone.
बचा।
Parts भी सब कुछ हर जगह easily off the shelf available है. Is it maybe as you said it a propaganda by Ukraine to establish themselves कि भाई रशिया को बताने के लिए कि हम एक आइडिया को पेपर पे से एग्जीक्यूशन में हम 3D पे प्रिंट कर सकते हैं और दैट वी आर द न्यू ड्रोन मास्टर्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड सो दैट यू नो यू आर चैलेंजिंग द योर माइटी एडवर्सरी रशिया एवरीबडी नोज इज 10 टाइम्स पावरफुल और 50 टाइम्स मोर पावरफुल देन यूक्रेन कि भाई आपके हमारे पास स्ट्रैटेजिक बॉम्बर्स नहीं है, हमारे पास न्यूक्लियर नहीं है, बट हम आपको उससे ज़्यादा चींटी ने हाथी की सूंड में घुस के ज़्यादा तबाही मचा दी. सो ड्रोन कुड बी दैट टेक्नोलॉजी विच इज़ डूइंग द मोर हार्म.
Yes, drone can be that technology, and exactly same thing we discussed in our last podcast also. It's not about drones. It's about how you use it. And that's exactly the same thing is what Ukraine has done. कि आपके पास ड्रोन थे, अब आपने उसका यूज़ क्या किया, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ यूज़ यू हैव मेड आउट ऑफ इट, एंड दे हैव गॉन अ स्टेप फर्दर कि जैसा अभी तक किसी ने सोचा नहीं था, दैट्स व्हाट दे हैव थॉट ऑफ कि ओके देयर विल बी 2 ways ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, कि पार्शियल कम्युनिकेशन विल हैपन थ्रू 4G एंड फर्दर कम्युनिकेशन विल हैपन ओवर RF. दैट वाज द थिंग कि जो उसमें नॉवेल्टी पार्ट है वो है कि विच टुक रशिया को शायद समझ में नहीं आया कि अच्छा ये क्या गेम खेल रहे हैं. अगली बार से समझ में आ जाएगा, यू ओनली हैव 1 चांस, और एक चांस में वो अपना खेल गए.
ठीक है, मोर टू डू द अनएक्सपेक्टेड.
एग्जैक्टली.
ठीक है, you मतलब इधर यू डिसीव द एनिमी और यू कंफ्यूज हिम. तो अभी आपने डिसेप्शन किया कि भाई मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, वो कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन आप पीछे कुछ और प्लान कर रहे हो, उसको लॉन्च कर दे रहे हो. सो वो तो आगे जो आपने डिसेप्शन दिखाया तो उसी में एंगेज रह गया ना वो तो. So this is how actually you have to think out of the box during the battle. That is called operational intelligence, what I was referring to you. So operational intelligence is based on what the facts emerges, how the war field turns out. So you gain that intelligence, put it into your initial plans and modify your plans. So that is where the intel is. And main जो intel का काम जो होता है वो होता है war शुरू होने से पहले.
हाँ, उसके बाद
it is everything
operational intel
as per the situation.
that's
per the
you
situation.
evolve it.
Yes.
So signing off करते हुए, what is your take out of both these operations when it comes to the tech part and your take out of these of both operations, the intel part, if you have to summarize in a very small.
Okay, my summary would be that again same drone as a technology is already there. Now it's all about what use you make out of it, how much you can modify it, and how much your purposes you can get solved out of it. It's more about solving specific problems through drones. That way, the way Ukraine has done. A specific issue, how I solve it. Basic drone is available, basic 3D printing is available, 3D printers are available, everything is available everywhere. What is not available is your thought, your brain, and how you use it. That's the only thing.
That's the tech part of it. And sir, the end part of it, summing it up.
The intel part will come as what is the larger picture. Intel is never seen in isolation. You have to have your intel resources deployed at the opportune time, at the right place, at the right location. You have to listen to your intel bosses or the intel agencies that provide you intelligence. You don't have to neglect. Even the smallest of the intel can play a bigger role in the larger picture. So you need to connect the dots. So आप अपनी इंटेलिजेंस को भरोसा करो और उनको जो भी एनालिसिस हो रही है उसके ऊपर ध्यान दो. You will never falter. But sad part is this: intel is used for different purposes for various reasons.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot for watching My Thought Espresso. This is your host Shakti Buddhiraja. I look forward to your questions. आपके क्वेश्चन से ही हम डिसाइड करते हैं कि हम अपने गेस्ट से क्या बात करें. So please keep on supporting us, keep on writing in comments and keep on giving us your questions. That helps us to understand ki what should be the next topic for our discussion. And like, share और subscribe ज़रूर करिएगा. This will help me as well as will support the channel. Thanks a lot. Signing off. Bye. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.